What's good, gang? You don't know the YouTube gang. We're back in this bitch, man. Over there on our World Athletic Championship 2023 Budapest reaction. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Over there with another banger. We're there with another reaction to the video, man. You don't know track and field. We love track and field. You see me? We love sports and we love track and field. You see me? We love the male athletes and we love the female athletes. Can we come to track, you know, man? You see me? I see this is one of the sports when you see it, when the woman them play, we actually find it more exciting. Little bit, equally or if not, a little bit more exciting than when the guys them play. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So I gotta check it out, dog. I check out the 100 meter between Shericka, Shelly, and Shikari. Man, I was pissed, guys. I can't believe we lost the 100 meter. You know what I'm saying? But somebody sent me the 200 meter on Discord, which the link is in the description, and you need to join the Discord to become part of the family. The fun, bro. You can send me videos directly and suggestion, request, all that stuff directly on Discord. Click the link in the description and join right now. Yeah, man, I was upset. We lost the 100 meter. You see me, woman, lost the 100 meter in the finals, bro. You see me, I was pissed. You know what I'm saying? I was cursing Shericka and Shelly, bro. I'm like, yo, what this hold up for? I was pissed. I was mad. You know what I'm saying? Somebody come beat with Golden Girls. But somebody sent me this one to react to, and I'm gonna check it out. See what I go on. The title suggests that we win, but we don't know. I check it out and see what I go and see my Golden Girls can take you back in the 200 meter. You know what I'm saying? We don't have the time. Yeah, I say, yeah, I don't like seeing Golden Girls and get beaten and that. I don't like seeing my woman them lose, dog. Big man thing. Yeah, man, take it personally. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But anyway, I gotta check it out and see them do another one, man. Hopefully, they came and take back the goal. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know. And I saw team Jamaica deal with things, you see me? But yeah, man, look at woman, man. Shericka Jackson, big up yourself, mama. Yeah, man. Look at her. Yeah, man. Well fit and thing, mama. They can't chat to you. Yeah, can't run in a year shows, mama.
Thomas has run fast this year at 200 meters.
And
six,
make no
number
mistake
6
about
for
it.
the
She's in
8,
6. Yes, you can see everybody in front of her.
29-year-old Jamaican wants a little bit of
toughness in her, bro, because she a workout now.
revenge on that woman right there, Sha'Carri Richardson, because Shericka Jackson thought for a second she had won
Look on Shericka like your
the World 100 meter
like
title.
Pussy, if you like you win this.
It didn't happen. She was shocked by Richardson. Here's Gabby
Her,
Thomas.
right
Sonia
here.
told it.
I like her. She's on the American team, but I like her a lot. I don't know why.
The World 100 meter
I believe her name is Gabby Thomas. Yeah, bro. I like her a lot, bro. You know what I'm saying? She fast, no blood clear.
title.
You know,
It didn't happen.
You know
She
what I'm
was
saying?
shocked by
But she the reason why Shikari won the damn what was it, relay?
Richardson.
Yeah,
Here's
bro.
Gabby Thomas. As
She's
Sonia
fast,
told
bro.
us, she's got
You know, she's
fresh
so fast
legs.
and
No
she not
100
tough, none
for
tall.
her.
Here's the
You know, she don't
NCAA
even look like she
champion
work
Alfred.
out like that, bro. Like she
Does she
was
have
born like a
one
plane.
more big race in her?
Daryl Needle
My
of
girl
Great Britain.
Shericka.
After
Yeah,
making
man.
the
You better
Olympic
go name
100
approve me,
final, now
Shericka.
she's made a
Okay,
world
now
final.
play.
This is Dina Asher-Smith, her teammate, who reigned supreme in 2019, but has had injury issues since. She was only 8th in the 100, so what can she do here? And also rounding out the field there, that's Mary Jose Talu. I mean, a picture of consistency, guys. She's been one of the best female sprinters in the world for over a decade. Unfortunately, was in that 4th spot again in the 100 meters, and a tough lane draw for her there in lane 2.
One thing is for sure, I feel like the medal,
Me and Moa Shericka,
the
pre
medal
up.
is going to come from the
Hey, she
outside
pre up. Come in.
lanes.
Come in, man.
We keep saying it, we haven't had a bad final yet in the field event or on the track, and this is guaranteed to be another buzzworthy performance.
The two American women are side by side in lanes 8 and 9. Gabby Thomas in 8, and right here, Sha'Carri Richardson, the 100-meter world champion in 9.
Come on. Be disrespectful as damn commercials, bro. Get out of this shit. Come on.
Women's
Come
200
on,
final
mama.
away.
Come on, mama. Come in.
Shericka Jackson, Sha'Carri Richardson on the outside has already been passed. Here comes the world
What I
champion
mean, man, run left
Jackson.
that blood clot.
Shericka Jackson into the home straight. She
Bro.
has put her stamp on
Nigga,
this
look
event.
at her form,
She's
my
gonna
G.
go back to back for Jamaica. The first since Marlene Honey. And she crosses in 21:41. Wow.
Yo,
That
look
is
at
a
her form,
meat
though, my G. Look at her form. She was like a
Getting
Usain
closer
Bolt.
to Flojo's world record. record.
No joke.
She is now just 7/100ths of a second away as Gabby Thomas
She
gets
don't
the
look like she's
silver,
tired,
and
bro. That's the
Sha'Carri
part of
hands
me.
on
Yo,
for her
look at her.
second medal
Like it
at
was
these
nothing.
Worlds.
She didn't look
That
tired, dog.
wasn't even close, Otto, and I could tell the way that she ran the 100. She was in the middle of the track, all of her chief competition in front of her. She executed to perfection. We just witnessed the second fastest time ever run, and it was at a world championship final.
I
Oh my goodness, just
Gabby Thomas though. Why are you running for America?
phenomenal running for these women.
Look at Gabby Thomas. Her mouth is wide open.
Shakira ain't ugly, bro, but she was talking shit, bro. You feel me? When you talking shit, you on my list. You feel me?
She can't believe it. It's Jamaica, the United States, and 4/10 of a second in sprinting is a mile.
That is a...
Mama left them, you know man. About what, 0.40 second? 40 seconds, my nigga. Not 0.40, not 40 seconds, no 0.40 seconds. That's a lot, nigga. That's a lot of length.
Of a margin
of victory, as you will see in a sprint event in history
show her form, bro.
at
Her form
these
is
World
crazy.
Championships. We'll crunch the numbers, but wow, for a race that we thought, well, maybe somebody
Easy,
gets
Mama.
close. No contest, Jackson by a mile.
And that's the last time you convinced me to change my favorite. Shericka Jackson looked amazing, but Otto, you also called it. Sha'Carri Richardson would need to run a personal best, and she did, and she got a bronze medal. So she's leaving here with a gold
Your personal
and a bronze.
best
This
get
is
a bronze, bro.
phenomenal
Listen to
first
that
world.
shit. Your personal best got you 3rd place. You tell me, say you wasn't not supposed to win that, fam. I'm telling you. It was not supposed to win that. I
Championship
don't know
for
how
the
you
young
won the 100
superstar.
meter.
So here's another
That
look.
I don't know.
Shericka Jackson,
You know what
fourth
I'm
from the left, was playing no games tonight. I think she would have been frustrated by her inability to win the 100. And man, she came off of that turn, and it was goodbye rest of the world.
She run like you say.
Gabby Thomas tried to charge late, but that's a lot of space in between the Jamaican world champion from last year and the rest of the world. So she repeats and defends her title from Eugene. And the other women who run the 200 in the world know now, if you are not ready to run 21.4, you have no chance to beat an in-shape Shericka Jackson.
And think about this, Otto. Shericka Jackson started out her career as a 400-meter runner. No one saw this coming. No one saw that she would step down, much like Fred Curley did, and run the 1-2 and be so dominant. And I really think that is what has paid off for her in this 200-meter discipline. She is by far the strongest in the field. She has the experience of the 400 meters, and she uses it to her advantage. I definitely feel like she was disappointed from that 100 because she came out here on a mission.
This is the largest margin of victory that we have seen in this event since Allison Felix in 2007 Worlds at Osaka won by 0.53. This does not happen often. Ingram Miller also had a big win by 0.45 in Seville, but wow.
The complexion of this race was determined, Son, at the halfway point.
Yeah.
Well, I would venture to say it was determined by about the first 10 steps. Once Shericka Jackson came out of her dry phase, it was a race for second. Race was over before 100 to go. That's what
There was a race for second. He tried to comment to the Chinese. Man say, yo, from Shericka, step out, you know, man. They just don't say, yo, the race done. They just have those races who want to come second at this point. Yo. Even the commentator know better than you know what I'm saying?
Amazing performance. And again,
don't play with my golden girls, man. Don't try to style my golden girl. You know what I'm saying? They did their thing. You know what I'm saying? So, gang, let me know what y'all think about that one, man. Let me know if you want more reaction from the World Athletic Championship, you know, and to Budapest. If you want more athletic reactions, you know, more track and field reaction, definitely, you know, can do World. I saw going down the list, bro. I like track a lot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But shout out to Team Jamaica, the boys and the girls, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to y'all. Y'all doing great, representing the country well, and I'm glad to see it, man. You don't know. Yeah, man. Shericka Jackson. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, man. You don't know. The whole island love you. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself. Till next time, guys. Oh, yeah. Hit up the Discord. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. Go over there. You can send me videos directly, requests directly, suggestion. We can chop it up. All type of shit. It's lit over there. You get previews. Get to know as soon as my videos upload. All that. So go join the Discord, man. Become part of the gang. You know what I mean? The next time, take care of yourself on each other. Guys.